Hey there, South Texas. Oh, somebody knows I have the treats. We're here at Pee Wee's Pet Adoption, Kara and I, and we are looking for a forever home for Robbie. He is a big baby.
Yes, he is about 3.5 months old, little pointer mix. He is going to be a very big boy, super friendly, gets along with the other dogs, gets along with kids, just wants a home.
Wonderful.
To call his own.
And for a pointer mix, that type of breed, what are some characteristics that they normally have?
They're very active.
Yes.
So they would need an active family, somebody who's going to take the time to take them out for walks, for runs, playing.
Wonderful. So you'd probably be good with some other dogs at the home as well.
Oh, yes.
All right. Well, if you have a pack already at home, you want to add a good, loving family friend to have at your home, Forever Pet here from Pee Wee's Pet Adoption. All you need to do is take a look at the information on your screen. Write that down. That's how you can get in contact with Pee Wee's Pet Adoption today.